Hello students, today we will talk about comparing and ordering fraction. Before we will go for understanding the topic, I would like to show you something. Here I am having a pizza. Okay, this is a whole pizza. Now if I talk to you, I have divided this pizza into two parts. This is a one pizza. I have divided into two parts. If I will be getting one part out of two parts, okay, here I will be getting one part out of two part. Now you have seen I am getting this part if I divide this into two equal parts. Now if I divide this pizza into four equal parts, now I have divided this into four equal parts. So I am getting one part, this much part I am getting in one part. Means when I have divided into 1 by 4 part. Pizza is same. I have divided it into 4 parts. So I am getting this much part. Now if I divide this pizza into 8 parts, if I divide this pizza in 8 equal parts, you can see now I will be getting 1 by 8. This is 1 by 8. This much, only this much I am getting. So I hope now you understand, when we are having the same pizza, one pizza, either two pizza, and we are dividing into different number of parts. Like if I am dividing it into two parts, then I was getting more amount of pizza. When I was dividing it into 4 parts, I was getting little less. When I was dividing it into 8 parts, I was getting more little. So students, in 1 by 2 part, we were getting this much of amount, right, of pizza. And in 1 by 4, we were getting this much amount. And in 1 by 8, we were getting this much. Means you can see when the denominator is more, we are getting the smaller part of pizza. When the denominator is less, we are getting more part of pizza. So in this way we will be comparing the fractions. I have taken two cases of fractions. Like first case is when the numerator is same, that I already explained you the concept of it. Numerator, you can see numerator is same here. In each of the fraction, numerator is 1, but denominators are different. Denominators are 5, 3, 7 and 9. So like what we have understood from that concept, we will be writing the fractions. Like we will be writing the smallest fraction at first position, because we know that in ascending order we arrange the fraction from the smallest to the biggest one. So which one is the smallest? Whose denominator is the biggest one. So 1 by 9, as I have written here, 1 by 9 will be the smallest fraction. Then out of the remaining fraction, you can see which one is the smallest one now. Yes, 1 by 7, because it is having the biggest denominator. So it will be the smallest one. So as I have written here, now out of the two remaining fraction, you can see which one is smaller? Yes, 1 by 5 is smaller than 1 by 3, because it is having the bigger denominator. So it will be a smaller fraction. So I have written 1 by 3 and 1 by 5, and 1 by 3 will be the biggest one. And in the same way, you can arrange these fraction in descending order, starting from the biggest fraction to the smallest fraction. Now I will talk about when the denominator is same. So I would like to talk to you about some students. Some students are getting marks. Test was of 13 marks. Okay. Some are getting 4 out of 13. Some are getting 8 out of 13. Some are getting 5 out of 13. And some are getting 7 out of 13. So you can see when the denominator is same, means the marks are same. Test marks is same. So you can say that when we arrange these fractions in ascending order, the student with the least marks, means student with the least numerator will be the smallest one. So here 4 by 13 is the smallest one. 5 by 13 is more than 4 by 13. Then 7 by 13 is more than 5 by 13. And the 8 by 13 is the biggest fraction. So when the denominator is same, we will look for the smallest numerator. So smallest numerator fraction will be the smallest one, and the fraction with the biggest numerator will be the biggest one. So in the same way, you can arrange these fractions in descending order also. Like here you can see the fraction 8 by 13 is the biggest one. So I have written it at first position. Now 7 by 13, 5 by 13 and 4 by 13. So this is how you can arrange fractions in the ascending order and descending order.